All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. Running a little behind. What's good, y'all? Oh, gee, bruh, the market is like scary red right now. But ICCT has halted up. Any other small caps popping this morning? I got man, that's pretty interesting right there. That's a new lower day though. Yeah, I got our AREB over here too. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I don't know. Shoot, we just go along the SQs and just hold all day. It's a nice little 5 minuter. ICCT's back open. That thing opened up and ran. Dang. Dang, that was yesterday's high too. Over 6 would have been cool. Wow, CXAI looks good too. Yo, what's up, Wave Rider? Dang, my bad. Yeah, I was just I was just saying how he's back to his old thing, you know. Back in his last term, it was tweeting. Every time he would drop a tweet, the whole market would shake. I remember being so frustrated during that time, man. Like literally being in positions and the market just dropped. And I would just be like, what happened? Trump tweeted such and such and such. Like, what? Like, bruh. That was mad frustrating. ICCT retesting yesterday's high. It's just up so high though. It's up way too high. Dang, that was it too. Well, we'll see how much further it can go. It's up there already, man. Sheesh. Yeah, you didn't. Yeah, I would have been scared too, bro. I'm scared of it right now. I mean, now it's honestly, it's not really that. It's clean actually, you know. This is actually, I mean,
Order filled.
market getting a little bounce here. Look at that. Man, ICCT was the one, man. That was the one. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm.
Order filled. QCOM.
Hmm. This is bad. This candle here. What's that low? 17. Yeah. I got slapped pretty hard. I really want to keep my stop where it was though. But yeah, I'm gonna leave my stop where it was. Yeah, this where the ad was right here. It's all good. Now we break this high. I'll move my stop up under this level, up to 117. I mean, really, you could go there right now, but I'll wait. Ooh, add again. What's it doing over here? Man, this could be the start of a beautiful uptrend. 5 looks nice. Slapped.
GME.
GME. What's going on with GME? That's hilarious, bro. You might be right. Oh yeah, I see AREB over here. Oh yeah. Feel like I done missed it.
Order filled.
What? Man. These small caps ain't nothing, bro. These small caps ain't nothing. Ah. I was definitely trying to take the break. I should have just bought it because it was already in play after this high, honestly. Missed that one. Hmm. Where's the relative strength at? Hmm. There's some. Man, I'm pretty disappointed I didn't get into AREB. Hmm. This thing halted. Wow. Sat there and just watched it. It popped pretty quick though. Hey, good morning. Yeah, I have. Actually, that's kind of like mm, my standard, but I don't know. I kind of loosened the ropes on that one, I guess, recently. But yeah, I hate having three losses on one ticker. But maybe I shouldn't. Yeah. Man, that's pretty disappointing to lose 3R on that. I was ready to lose two, but three. That was a lot. There's some promise right here.
Order filled.
was quick. Ooh, that's nasty. What's this low? 134.14. 4 seconds. There she goes. Dang, man. I was so close to getting in right here over 687, man. That's crazy. Ah. Instead, I'm going to lose another R on QCOM. Something I just randomly pulled up.
REB.
Yeah, no stuff. What up, Trey? I don't know, bro. It was on my scanner. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna have a time to get a good entry. Yeah, that's not my entry anyway. Oh, there it went. Yeah, bro, I was literally about to punch in, but whatever.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was retarded. I think I want to get into ICCT though. Look at that, bro. Mm, yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm watching it. Trying to decide if I want to take the 5 minute break or be patient for the pullback after the 5 minute break. I say we be patient. Hmm. Hmm.
Order filled.
Yeah, I know, right?
Order filled.
Yeah, that's what happens. And at least if I wasn't going to be patient, I could have risked to the low of that 5 minute candle, which would have been down here. Just trading what's going up now, you know. Think I'm kind of leaning on the small caps when the market's going down, since they kind of move independently of the S&P. In max. Yeah.
Order filled.
Volume is weak on the follow through. Like a good turn on Tesla right here, if there's gonna be one. Yeah, the volume looking weak right now, OG. That's the only thing. And I really want to, I feel like CXAI is getting ready to go, but I don't have any risk to take the trade. Volume's like almost nothing right now, though. So there's that. That's funny. AREB. That's a nice little spot right there over pre-market high. NMAX. Ooh. Okay, I see what you was talking about there, Wave Rider. Yeah, this is starting to look like a retracement on the 5 that's going to come back, keep coming back down to the EMA. We'll see though. Need a new high on that thing. I like how the sell volume's pretty low though. Make me want to add some right there.
Order filled. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I think I want to jump out. I think it's gonna rip my face off. That 5 looks like a nasty retracement.
Yeah, AREB is back in action. This would be the place to buy more shares. And this is where I'm most afraid to buy more shares, which is probably why it's the place to buy more shares. Dang, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
Well, that was fun. Fun Friday. That was horrible. Like I'm not mad at my CXAI trade. Maybe the ad was a bit egregious, but the entry was cool. Uh, yeah, nah. I have a mistake tab in my journal for buying before it comes back to the EMA on the 5 extended from the EMA. So I just I decided to take this yesterday's high as support and disregard my requirement for it to come back down to the EMA on the 5. So jack that up. And then yeah, I don't know what this was. This was just like, what are you doing, bro? Okay, so CXAI just kind of did me dirty. What's up, Jack? Um, and then I played myself on ICCT. Okay, and then QCOM I also played myself. All right, so yeah, I'm definitely over this whole buying extended on the 5. It's just I just that's for somebody else. You know, I'm not taking those anymore. Hmm. What's going on, Jack? How you doing today, man? I hope you're having a better day than me. uh, yeah, I'm totally not mad at that at all. This is pretty much exactly how I want to play this. Um, the ad, though, I'd rather keep my ads close to the EMA. So just wait for a retest instead of the FOMO ad. This is the FOMO ad for sure, not the tactical ad, which maybe would have been right here. That's what's up. Amazon short 175. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, QCOM was just I really am embarrassed about QCOM, but um I can avoid these losses on ICCT. I'm getting better at avoiding these. I just huh, interesting. How much do I need these lines on my screen as far as yesterday's high, pre-market high, and all of that? Hmm. Bruh. Let me see. I think you're right. Uh, how did I trade ICCT yesterday though? It couldn't have been. If it did, if I got conviction from that yesterday, that means I probably lost. Or unless I got this. Did I trade this yesterday? This does look familiar. But it's still hella late in the trend. I bought higher day. I thought that was like down here or something. Hmm. Okay, yeah. Well, that was yesterday's high though. Oh, okay, I got you. I got you. Hmm. Account killer. No, that's gotta be max. 25 cents off max loss. That's funny. Halted again, eh? Yeah, we should have just went in the long the SQs right at the open. Uh, no, I'm not gonna accept nothing. I'm about to flip this 25 cent to $20. I got 25 cent risk. MU. Wow. The fall from grace. Uh-oh, MU might be the one. Super extended on the 5. Do 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 do. Little reversal volume right up in here. 25 cent risk. I can't do diddly squat. Take it. Nah. If I'm gonna get it back, it's gonna be legitimate. Like I be spazzing out. Like my best trading is my edge. And if I get down, I'll start spazzing out and doing things outside of my edge. Like it's gonna like if that was the way, like if I could just turn that on and just make some money back, like that's what I would be doing the entire time. So it doesn't make sense to like flip into for Pooh Shiesty mode to be something different than my strategy. If anything, it should be like, all right, I'm gonna super lock in right now, and my next trade is gonna be a A plus plus setup so I can make this money back. Not, pull out the machine gun like I'm telling you, CXAI over here bubbling. Look at that volume pop back in here, lower day. No A plus setup today, I know, right? On to the B's. Looking for a B plus. Trump tariff market sell off. Yeah, what's up, Paul? Uncle Paul.
Order filled.
Gotta go straight up or it's over.
Order filled.
I should have got one share. I should have got one share. I could have made it if I got one share. Because that was the moment. Is everyone tired of winning yet? Man, exhausted. What's up, Nigel? Got my head lumped today. Every red days doesn't have to be max loss or because the market is closed. uh, painful market indeed. I did it to myself though. It didn't have to be this way. CXAI was kind of rough though. I mean, I don't know what I could have done to. I could have not added up here. That would have been cool. Um, yeah. Then I got slipped. Not that much though. Maybe like 5 cent, which is a lot on 70 shares for a $3 risk. So yeah, that kind of sucked. But I'm happy with my entry because I initially wanted to get in here, but I was like, nah, we gotta wait. And then I waited, and yeah, I like this break. Mm. But yeah, I just needed to wait longer. And then yeah, then I said I was gonna wait, but I didn't wait for the 5 to retake on the 20. And small caps are kind of rough, but I like them. I think I'm learning them a little bit better. um I guess you just kind of got to accept that this is gonna happen sometimes when you trade small caps. It's not fair, but it is what it is. If you want those 200% runners, this is what you gotta this is what you gotta play with. Yeah, they do move, man. It ain't gonna save me. I'm already. Oh man, I just wish I would have bought. If I would have bought here at 687, bro, the day would have been won. Don't trade anything under 2. Yeah, I feel like that too, bro. How did that even get on my scanner, actually? Oh, I got this from Trey. I was about to say, because my scanner is limited to 5, I think. I don't see anything lower than 5 on my scanner. Or maybe it is 2. I think it's 5. Yeah. I don't really like trading them below 5. But I was desperate this morning, and Trey gave me his little his little penny pinchers. But yeah, AREB and ICCT were plenty. Just really couldn't get in on them. And could have definitely done without QCOM. Yeah, I feel you. What you talking about, Trey? Whatever, bro. And I was supposed to wait for the 5. Like literally, I shouldn't have ever looked at ICT until just now. Just now I should be like, hey, looks like it's getting ready to try and overtake the 20 on the 5. Let's see if it can close above, right? Like not up in here. So I think I'm getting better at that though. It's so clear and so simple, and I see it work so well for me when I can be patient for that. So yeah, yeah. I think next week's gonna be real fun. Next week's gonna be fun. I want to stop. I got a hard stop to my trading window. Um, I actually think I need it to be 10. So 11 market time. Because I want to have time to do my review video before I leave for work. That's really important to me. I get a lot of benefit from that, and the channel does a lot better too. Um, and I don't want to just be in the market all day. I don't have time for that. I didn't set out to do that. It's that when I do it, it's just being unwilling to accept what the market has given me, and I just want to keep trading, keep trading. So I don't like that. So next week we're gonna stop at 11 o'clock market time, and the name of the game is just patience. I just gotta wait. I'm playing off the 5 and the 20 EMA, and that's where I want to be buying with the 5 at the 20 EMA, and take my entries on the 1. Uptrends only. I was thinking about reversals and like doing 1-to-1s. I mean, I would still require the 5 to retake the EMA, but like if it happens on a downtrend and then taking 1-to-1, but I just don't want to go long when it's doing that. So I think I'm gonna just try to be patient to what's uptrending and not worry about like reversion trades. Would you call that a reversion trade or just reversals? Um, I don't know, but it's some fire reversal setups too. Yeah, yeah, but I is it if I can just wait for the plays that happen that set up on the 5, and then it's in a higher spot than the last time it tested the EMA, meaning it's uptrending. Yeah, I do like them, but they gotta be played a certain way. Like they gotta be played off significant levels and stuff like that. Like this Tesla down here. What's this 750 level? Yeah. That's another thing I want to do. I want to go through probably this weekend and draw key levels on all my favorite traders, the things that I trade every day. Yeah, it's melting bad, bro. Ain't no way. It was a couple longs out there. I just it didn't work out for me. Not on ICCT for me actually. There were no longs for me here. Uh, there was some longs on AREB, but I missed that too. But yeah, everything else is straight down. Here comes ICCT though. like it on the 5. See, now it's like, okay, we got the 5 working up there. A little crossover happening. Okay. You know, okay. Nah. Scalping gold. Yeah. I forgot about gold. Things going down too, bro. Yeah, ICCT look good to me. Straight up. It's ready. She ready. That's what I should have waited for. See here, the 5 is still below the 20 EMA. Now the 5 is crossed. It hasn't closed yet though. So like the real confirmation would be to wait for a higher low pullback on the 1. But then it's the FOMO. It's like, man, if this thing squeezes, I'll never get it. So it's like, what are you gonna do? Yeah, patience, OG, patience. That's like the hugest thing I got to keep in mind, man. Is just wait. It's better to wait, man. I had a really nice patience thing on what was that? CXAI, even though it didn't work out. But I wanted to enter here, but I thought this was too aggressive of a move down. And there's a couple other reasons that I thought it would be better to not take that. And I would have survived with my stop though. But this is just a better entry. I didn't have to sit through any of this red buying on this side and just waiting for it to, show a little confirmation. But yeah, I definitely oh, CXAI, bro. I like it. It only had a little more volume, but the 5 looks great. It's still below the EMAs though. But I like this higher low, this little narrow range hammer right there. But the volume's trash. This is a nice end of day, lower day volume right here though. It looks good, yo. Yeah, I'll take that right over the highs. Stop under 6. Enter over 25. Mm-hmm. Is it raining? There it is. Hey, Gus, what's going on? Uh, Fumbled today, man. Really? Coming in here every day getting lumped and still coming the next day. Or still trying to go long while the market's bleeding. I don't know if either of those are impressive. Oh man. Well, I was trying to stick to small caps. You know, I have my eyes on AREB, ICCT, and CXAI, but yeah, yeah. Look at ICCT. That was the entry right there over 625. Yep, in there like swimwear, man. In there like swimwear over 625. Stop under six. Ah, what a beautiful trade. And that's see that's what I was talking about waiting when before I did this. This is it. Waiting for the 5 to close over the 20. Get a pullback on the 1. Boom. That might have been it's like a little over 1 hour pop. Dang. Yeah. Patience, man. It's getting really clear though, like really obvious. Yeah. So what do you think, Gus? I'm just as a long trader, just sit on hands for the next few months. I'm kind of expecting to shift my focus to small caps while the market is down bad. Sit and practice. Yeah. Wow. I love hearing about that stuff, Gus. Yeah. 10:50 p.m. Man. Yeah. Which part of Japan did you go to, Gus? Hmm. I'm listening, Trey. I appreciate it, Gus. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I'm feeling pretty good about where I'm at. I'm definitely after you survive. Yeah. Well, I'm still here, and I've definitely made plenty of mistakes. So hopefully the success is near. But I feel like my understanding of the market as a whole has gotten a lot better. To almost like feeling like I wasn't even paying attention at all to dang, this thing about to break back below 6. Um to I appreciate it, Gus. It's coming, man. It's coming. It's coming. Um yeah, I'm narrow. I feel like I'm narrowing in on the mindset that I need to have in order to be consistent. Um And avoiding the mistakes is huge, man. Because when I make a mistake, it really messes with my mindset, and I go into like recovery, revenge mode, and all of that stuff. But like the longer I can just stay, you know, on my p's and q's and not do anything stupid, like a good loss don't really hurt my feelings that much. Like it's just like okay, it didn't work out. But like when I do something dumb and lose, it's just like, come on, bro. And then I just want to make it right. But um, yeah, I definitely like. I knew I wanted the. All right, Gus, have a good one. I knew I wanted to. I knew what the beginning of an uptrend looked like, right? The downtrend, you're getting lower highs and lower lows, and then all of a sudden you get a higher high, and then you get a higher low, and it's like, okay, boom, first sign of an uptrend. And so that's like the essence of my strategy because that's what I'm looking for. I want to look for the beginning of the uptrend and try to ride the whole leg out. But those like on the 1 minute chart, bro, that happens so many times. Those little micro trend changes, and it's like, but what's the real one? Like, what's the one that's the actual beginning and that can actually get me a long leg with some decent R's, right? And so enter the 5 minute chart using the 5 minute as the standard of the beginning of the move. That gives me lots of opportunities if I dig down to the 1 minute. Setup happens on the 5, I execute it on the 1. I get a lot of room to make some R's. And like since I've been trading with the 20 EMA like the last, I don't know, few weeks, maybe a month now, I feel like I can see the beginning of that. Like the moment that I really want to be engaging is super clear now. And the moments that I don't, like, I know I don't want to be buying going long up here. I know I don't because this is, my criteria, you know. 4 hour to 1 day just because of the low time foolery. Yeah. Yeah. The 5 has definitely been a game changer. Um, yeah. So it's getting more and more clear, and I'm happy to wait for it because I'm seeing the good results come from it. And but I still can get into a mode. So I got to protect myself by just the good decisions. Like the best way is to just not make that first mistake. But yeah, Gotta avoid poo shiesty mode, as Trey calls it. Yeah, see, I knew this was a nice look on the 5 right here, even though it was below. Just not enough volume to really want to get involved. It's coming in now, though. A little increase. Very little. But anyway. All right, so I guess I'm probably going to be trying to end my stream around this time every day if I'm going to stop trading at this time every day. And man, AREB, I'm telling you, you could just trade these small caps on the 5. Like literally being on the 1 is just like ODing, man. Like I just look back and look at these on the 5 and it's like, bro, like clear entries. You know, right here, right here. But all right, guys. Well, I think we're kind of doing okay this week. I had what was that? 10R on Tuesday, 3R on Wednesday. I did max loss yesterday after the stream. So that would be 2 days in a row now, which is 12R. So maybe break even on the week. Probably a little red. I can't remember what happened Monday. Yeah. Well, but I'm ending the week in a place of hope, though. You know, I feel great. I feel great about it. I just need to spend some time in my journal this weekend and maybe some sim trading. That would be cool. Do some sim trading. Go back in time and find some days when the market was bullish. It's a nice bounce right here though. Super nice bounce. Strong bounce. This might be the end of it right here though. This is really nice. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good weekend, man. Hit that like button for me if you haven't. Subscribe. Discord links in the description. Y'all want to chop it up over the weekend. Other than that, man, y'all be easy. Peace.